I will. I'll rate you on Sonic Wave,
Yeah, hey, let's see. Let's race, bro. Can I get 66 first, or can you beat it? That's the race.
Bro, you have better runs than me, so.
Yeah, on mouse, bro. I have no muscle memory for it at all on keyboard.
Oh, true.
No, I genuinely think I'm not sure if I'll. By the time you beat it, I'm good.
Please adopt me.
Yes, I beat Misfire. Oh my god.
Yo!
Yes,
Oh,
dude.
yeah, bro.
Let's go.
Let's go, dude.
Oh, yeah.
GG.
Dude, and an amazing fluke from 89, bro.
Yeah,
GG.
amazing fluke from 89.
Yo, that's
Let's
awesome,
go.
dude.
Let's go.
I bet you're gonna miss the level.
What?
You're definitely gonna miss the level.
I know, that was kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie.
That song was really good too, guys.
The song sucks. The song unironically makes this 85 out of 100 to like a 20 out of 100. I'm not even...
Dude.